Hello guys, welcome to today's live stream. My name is Nihant and this is Aglogains. So in today's live stream, what we are going to discuss is the intraday strategy, the short strangle strategy that we do on a daily basis. I'm going to show you the PNL on that strategy and we'll also review the other strategies that I have in place. Okay. So before we do that, let me go ahead and do a quick mic check and then we'll proceed further. Okay. All right, guys. So it looks like everything's working fine. So let me just quickly share my screen. As you can see, this is my current Zerodha account, and these are the trades that I've taken today. We will analyze these trades, but I'm currently in a PNL of 4,300 rupees. It's a small amount, but I hope that this translates into a lot more as we go through the day. So let us first look at the logic behind the strategy. And before we do that, I want to first analyze how Bank Nifty is looking for the day and make some, sort of understandings about how we can figure out the direction of Bank Nifty today. Where is it going to go? What is our trading style going to be for the day? So as you guys know, we are non-directional option sellers. So for us, if Bank Nifty is in a range, that is a good situation for us. But in the short strangle strategy that we do on intraday basis, Bank Nifty, if it moves highly trending towards one direction, that is also a good space for us to start. Okay. So if you see, Bank Nifty is still not broken the 15-minute high or low. This is the 15-minute chart, and I've put lines here at the top of the 15-minute high and low. Bank Nifty tried to break out of it, but it has closed again inside that range itself. So until it goes out of this range, I wouldn't take any positional or directional strategies, right? Ideally, if it breaks to the upside with a strong confirmation, which means it breaks out, comes back, retests it, and then goes up, you can then take a buy position on a call option. Same way, vice versa on the put option as well. That is if you are an option buyer. Okay. Now let us quickly get into our current positions and let's see what is the PNL, what are different positions that we hold, and we will look into that a bit. Okay. So as you can see, I have multiple positions open. Overall, my current PNL is about 27,000 rupees. Okay. Now I'll go one by one and let's look at what these numbers mean and what are these positions. Okay. First, we will look at the MIS positions. MIS positions are my intraday positions that I'm. Just give me a second. Alright guys, so that was my cute pup here and he's making a lot of noise. So let me just go lock him out and I'll come back. Alright, so he's behaving. So let us go back to the screen. So as you can see, this is the analysis of the intraday position. Now these are my entry prices 507 and 474 on the sell side, put sell and call sell. Okay, I have a 20% SL on both of this, right? What that means is if 474 goes to around 568 odd, the option will exit out and the other leg will continue. I will move the other leg to the cost, which means right now this my PNL about, just give me a second guys. All right, I'm back. So as I was saying, so right now my PNL could be about 3,700 right now. But if the stop loss hits on one direction and the market continues right in that direction, so what I mean is, if say that the market hits the call stop loss and it continues to go up, then the other leg will give us a huge profit than the SL that has been hit. This is our strategy that we do on a daily basis. This is our 920 short strangle strategy. Okay, so let us now look at the other strategies that we have in place. So as you all know, apart from the intraday, I also do two positional strategies. Number one is the iron condor and number two is the iron fly. Okay. So first let us look at the iron condor. So iron condor is 600 quantity here. Right. So let us now analyze the iron condor. So if you see, the iron condor is of this range. It has a maximum profit potential of 30,000 rupees. Okay, on a capital that requires, I think, a total capital of about let me check. So it requires a total capital of 16 lakhs. So on 16 lakhs we make 30,000, so which is around 2% odd, right? 1.8 to 2% is what we make on the total of the capital that we have deployed. This is a weekly strategy. Okay, and for this strategy to work, the options have to expire, or Bank Nifty has to expire within this range, 44,600 and 42,900. Okay, if this happens, my all the sell options will expire worthless and we make a good profit, a good return on this. Okay, now if you see a total projected return, max profit of 1.8%, which is decent, guys. On a weekly basis, if you can really do 1.8%, that's a great thing to have. This is my iron condor. Now if you want to know about this strategy in detail, it's a very simple strategy. I've taken far out of the money options, 800, 900 strike prices away, and I've taken hedges for them around 1000 points away. If you want to learn this strategy in detail, we have recorded a video on our YouTube channel where we actually go through this in detail. Okay, now let us quickly move on to the third strategy that we have here, which is the most favorite and the crowd puller, which is the iron fly strategy. It works really well in this kind of low VIX environment. It's now starting to move up. The VIX is going up. We will also talk about it, but iron fly works really well in this environment. So let me show you the iron fly strategy and let us analyze that. So the iron fly that I have constructed is a sell of 43,900 call option and 44,000 put option. So it's sell on both of these, and we have bought hedges at the break evens. So this is how my iron fly strategy looks like at the moment. It has a maximum profit potential of 47,900 rupees, which is around 11%, for a capital deployed of only 4.19 lakhs. So I am doing this with about 12 lots in the current 15 quantity model. So 4.19 lakhs will give us a 47% return, but it's highly unlikely that the market will stop right at the middle, right? So there can be great chances where the market would say stop here or stop here, and if it does here, you get a maximum profit of around 26,000, which is again a huge return for a strategy like iron fly. If it touches either of the borders here, we already spoke at length about what kind of adjustments we have to do for iron fly. But if you have any doubts about iron fly adjustments, please do let us know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to walk you through this. Now if you see, the OI data also is in our favor, because the highest open interest call option and put option is around 44,000. Okay, that is also called the max pain price. So that's a good sign for us, which means we are in a good space as of now. But let's see, this can always change. OI can always change. So we should be cautious and ready to adjust if the need arises. Okay, so summing up all of this, currently on our intraday basis, we are at a 3,900 profit. My goal is to at least take 90,000 to 1 lakh, 1.2 lakhs in profit in this strategy, provided the market is trending. If not, we have a maximum loss of around 38,000 to 40,000 in this strategy on a daily basis, right? So max loss that can happen is 40,000. Max profit is unlimited. You can go to 1.8 lakhs also. But again, it's a matter of how trending the market is. Okay. So I hope I was able to provide some clarity on all our open positions and also about the outlook for Bank Nifty today. If you do have any questions and any doubts that you want to talk to us about, that you want to reach out to me about, please do feel free to drop me a message. You can leave me a comment and I'll be more than happy to talk to you in person. And I'm trying to grow this channel, so if you're new to this channel, please do consider subscribing. We come live almost on a daily basis and talk about our open positions, talk about our mindset, trading psychologies, and our PNL for the month as a whole. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you have a great trading day. I will see you in the evening. I'll just try to touch base on what is our PNL at the end of the day, and we will see how that goes. Thank you. I hope you have a great trading.